Hello, this is Professor Asma Parveen from Department of Psychology, Aligarh Muslim University. Today I will discuss psychological test as a method of data collection. Psychological test is a tool used to gather responses that can be compared to how people behave in other situations. It involves administering tests to measure behavior, abilities, and issues related to the mind and body of individuals in order to make predictions about their psychological performance. These psychological tests are tools that can measure intelligence, personality, attitude, interest, and motivation for achievement. They provide valuable insight into an individual's psychological makeup and can help professionals to understand and address various aspects of their mental well being. By utilizing these methods, psychologists can have in depth understanding of the individuals and also can develop effective treatment plans that are tailored to the specific needs of the individuals. Psychological tests are defined by different researchers. For example, according to Gregory 2010, psychological test is a standardized procedure for sampling behavior and describing it with categories or scores. According to Vinastasi, psychological test can be described as measurement of sample of behavior that is standardized and objective. Kaplan and Sekuzot explained psychological test as a device or technique used in quantification of behavior that helps in not only understanding behavior but also to predict it. Psychological tests play a crucial role in understanding and assessing the psychological factors of individuals. These tests are objective, providing unbiased information that can predict and diagnose certain conditions. Standardization is another key aspect, ensuring that the same procedures and instructions are followed when administering and scoring the test. Norms outlined in the test manual help interpret an individual's score, allowing us to identify different levels of potential or ability. These psychological tests not only measure specific behaviors but also reveal the quality of a person's psychological traits. Validity and reliability are essential qualities for these tests, and the manual provides explanations on how they are established. In addition to their objectivity and predictive nature, psychological tests offer valuable insights into the psychological makeup of an individual. By measuring specific behaviors, these psychological tests provide a comprehensive understanding of a person's trait and characteristics. While some tests focus on speed, most are power tests, gradually increasing in difficulty. This allows for the identification of individuals with varying levels of potential or ability. The test also shed light on the quality of a person's psychological traits, offering a deeper understanding of their strengths and weaknesses. To ensure the effectiveness of psychological tests, it is crucial that these tests must be valid and reliable. The manual accompanying each test explains how these qualities are established, providing transparency and credibility. Validity refers to the accuracy of the test in measuring what it intends to measure, while reliability ensures consistent results over time. By establishing validity and reliability, these tests become powerful tools in assessing and understanding psychological factors of individuals. With their standardized procedures and comprehensive interpretations, psychological tests serve as invaluable resources in the field of psychology. Assumptions of psychological test. Psychological tests are designed with several important assumptions in mind. First and foremost is a psychological test must be valid, meaning that it accurately measures what it is intended to measure. This ensures that the results obtained from the test are meaningful, and reliable. Additionally, a test should also be reliable. That is, it must consistently produce similar results when administered multiple times. Another crucial assumption is that the test should be objective, assuming that all individuals taking the test understand the questions in the same way. This allows for fair and unbiased assessment of each individual responses. However, it is important to acknowledge that there is a possibility for people to answer in a way they believe is socially desirable rather than providing honest and accurate responses. This can introduce a level of error into the test results. Furthermore, it is important to consider the potential sources of error variance in psychological testing. Factors such as bias from the administrator, anxiety or fatigue experienced by the test taker, and external conditions like temperature or distractions can all contribute to variations in the test scores. These factors can impact the reliability and validity of the test results, highlighting the need for careful consideration and control of these variables during the testing procedure. Administration and scoring of a psychological test. Psychological testing is a crucial aspect of studying psychology, and it involves understanding concepts such as reliability, validity, standardization, and norms. In order to administer a psychological test effectively, it is important to consider whether it will be given to an individual or a group. For individual test, proper preparation is necessary, while for group test, seating arrangements and other preparations need to be made. Regardless of the method of administration, it is essential to follow a systematic and standardized approach. This means that all test takers should receive the same instructions as specified in the manual. Before administering the test, whether to an individual or a group, it is necessary to ensure that all necessary materials are ready and that the testing environment is suitable and free from distractions. Thoroughly reading the test manual and having a good understanding of the concept being measured by the test is also crucial before administering it. This allows the administrator to provide accurate instructions and guidance to the test takers. By following these guidelines, the test can be administered in a fair and consistent manner, ensuring reliable and valid results. When it comes to administering a test, there are several important factors to consider. First is it is crucial to have a clear understanding of the purpose of the test. As tests are designed to measure specific aspects of an individual, so it is essential to choose the appropriate test based on what you want to measure. For instance, personality can be assessed using tests like 16PF or NEO-PI. Equally important is ensuring that the person who is administering the psychological test should possess necessary qualifications, expertise, and skills. This ensures that the test is administered accurately and effectively. Before conducting the test, it is also vital to thoroughly read the test manual. This step allows the administrator to become familiar with the instructions, procedures, and duration of the test administration process. Additionally, the manual provides valuable background information about the variable being measured by the test. It also includes details about reliability, validity, scoring, and norms. Having a comprehensive understanding of these aspects is crucial for the proper administration of the test. By being knowledgeable about the background information of the test, the administrator can ensure that the test is administered in a consistent and standardized manner. This not only enhances the accuracy of the results but also ensures fairness and reliability. Before administering a test, it is important to ensure that all the required materials are prepared and ready. Additionally, it is important to check that the testing environment is suitable. with the right temperature and sufficient lighting. Minimizing distractions in the room is also essential for an optimal testing experience. Furthermore, providing comfortable seating for the test takers is necessary to promote focus and concentration. In addition to logistical considerations, ethical issues must be taken into account during test administration. Safeguarding the test takers' information and maintaining confidentiality are paramount. Respecting their privacy is equally important. These principles apply to test administration as well, emphasizing the need for integrity and fairness throughout the process. When conducting a psychological test, it is very important to ensure that the instructions provided are clear and easily understood by the individual taking the test. It is essential to address any questions or concerns they may have, offering them the necessary answers and clarification. Additionally, it is important to consider the unique characteristics of the person being tested, such as their age, disabilities, and cultural background. These factors may influence the approach and administration of the test. Building a positive rapport with the individual undergoing the test is one of the key aspects of test administration. By establishing a good relationship, it helps to alleviate any anxiety they may be experiencing and encourages their full cooperation throughout the testing process. This connection between the tester and the test taker fosters an environment of trust and comfort, allowing for more accurate results. Furthermore, adapting the test administration to suit the specific needs of the individual is vital. For example, when working with children, it may be necessary to use simpler language and provide additional support to ensure comprehension. Similarly, when dealing with elderly individuals, patience and understanding are crucial as they may require more time to process information or have physical limitations that need to be accommodated. Considering the linguistic and cultural background of the test taker is also essential. Language barriers can hinder accurate test results, so providing translations or interpreters may be necessary. Moreover, cultural differences can impact how individuals perceive and respond to certain test stimuli, making it important to account for these variations during the administration process of the psychological test. After the psychological test is administered, there will be a debriefing session to discuss any information that was not previously shared. The test takers may also be asked to reflect on their experience during this session. Following the debriefing, the test responses will be scored according to the instructions and scoring key provided in the test manual. These scores will then be used to make interpretations using established norms. Once the interpretation is complete, the test results will be communicated to the test takers in a way that is appropriate for them. This could involve explaining the scores and what they mean, as well as discussing any implications or recommendations that arise from the results. It is important for the test takers to understand the significance of their scores and how they relate to their overall psychological well being. The debriefing and communication of test results are crucial steps in the process of the testing. They provide an opportunity for the test takers to gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their psychological profile. It allows them to reflect on their experiences and potentially gain insights into their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Furthermore, the interpretation of the test results can offer valuable information about the test taker's strength, weaknesses, and areas for growth. This knowledge can be used to guide future interventions or treatments if necessary. It is important for the test takers to feel supported and empowered throughout this process, knowing that their results are being taken seriously and used to inform their psychological well being. Characteristics of a psychological test. A good psychological test possesses certain key characteristics that ensure its reliability and effectiveness. For example, the first characteristic of a psychological test is that it must be fair and unbiased, free from personal opinions or favoritism towards any particular group. By basing the test on facts rather than subjective judgments, it becomes a reliable tool for assessment. Secondly, accuracy is paramount in a psychological test. It should measure precisely what it is intended to measure, just as a scale accurately measures weight but not length. For example, a test on adjustment should accurately measure a person's ability to adapt, while a test on self esteem should effectively measure one's level of confidence. Therefore, a good psychological test must possess accuracy in assessing the specific behavior or trait it was designed for. In addition to fairness and accuracy, a good psychological test should also demonstrate validity. This means that it truly measures what it claims to measure. A valid test ensures that the results obtained are meaningful and relevant to the construct being assessed. Without validity, the test loses its purpose and becomes unreliable. Psychological tests are need to be reliable in order to provide accurate results. A reliable psychological test is one that consistently produces the same results over time. To better understand this concept, let us consider measuring the length of a table. If we were to use a ruler to measure the length of the table on one day and then use the same ruler to measure it again 6 months later, we would expect to obtain the same measurement in centimeters both times. This demonstrates the reliability of a ruler as a tool for measuring the length. In simpler terms, if we were to measure the length of a table with a ruler on one day and then measure it again with the same ruler 6 months later, we should obtain the same result. This indicates that the ruler is a consistent and dependable tool for measuring length. It is easy to grasp this concept when applied to a table because its length remains unchanged unless something significant happens to it, such as breaking or being altered. In such cases, any modifications to the table's length would be immediately noticeable. Reliability is crucial in psychological testing because it ensures that the results obtained are not influenced by external factors or inconsistencies in the testing process. Just like the ruler used to measure the table's length, a reliable psychological test will yield consistent outcomes regardless of when it is administered. This allows researchers and professionals to have confidence in the accuracy and validity of the test results. Without validity, psychological tests would be unreliable and ineffective tools for assessing various aspects of human behavior and mental processes. Imagine if a test designed to measure intelligence produced different results each time it was administered to the same individual. This would make it impossible to draw meaningful conclusions or make accurate assessments based on the scores of the test. A high quality psychological test should have the ability to distinguish between individuals based on specific aspects or variables. For instance, if two individuals possess different musical abilities, the test should be able to accurately identify and differentiate these disparities in their musical aptitude. This discriminant feature is crucial in ensuring the effectiveness and reliability of the psychological test. By accurately assessing and categorizing individuals based on their unique characteristics, psychologists can have valuable insights into their abilities and then tailor interventions accordingly. Without a discriminant feature, psychological tests would lack the precision necessary for accurate assessments and personalized treatment plans. Creating a reliable and effective psychological test requires careful attention to detail and adherence to specific steps. A good test should accurately measure what it is intended to measure. To achieve this, the questions on the test must be clear and unambiguous, ensuring that test takers understand what is being asked of them. Confusing or vague questions can lead to inaccurate results and undermine the validity of the test. Additionally, the test should be designed in a way that allows for easy scoring, enabling efficient evaluation of the test taker's performance by assigning numerical values to the results. This numerical evaluation enables researchers to analyze and interpret the data obtained from the test accurately. By following these guidelines, psychologists can develop tests that provide valuable insights into individuals' psychological characteristics and abilities. Standardization and norms also play a crucial role in psychological testing. These psychological tests allow us to gain insight into the unique thoughts and emotions that make each individual distinct. To ensure accurate results, it is essential to have a consistent approach when administering and scoring these tests. This process is known as standardization, and it is guided by a manual that provides clear instructions on how to conduct the test accurately. By adhering to these guidelines, psychologists can obtain reliable and valid data that helps them better understand human behavior. Without standardization and norms, the raw score does not hold much meaning. To establish a standard, the test must first be proven reliable and valid. This involves administering the test to a large group of people. For example, in determining the standard for weight of the newborn baby in India, researchers would measure the weight of numerous infants over a specific period of time. Using this data, they can then create the standard and calculate an average score. This allows us to compare the weight of any newborn baby to the standard and determine where they stand. In fields like psychology, separate standards can be developed for different groups, taking into account factors such as gender, culture, and location. This is all for today. Thank you.